Hello, this is Eric at Prince George Ford, and we're taking a look at the all-new 2022 Ford Maverick in a Lariat trim. The Maverick is Ford's new compact pickup truck, coming standard as a two-wheel drive hybrid. However, this model is all-wheel drive with the 2-liter EcoBoost engine, providing you with excellent power and fuel efficiency. Coming with the FX4 Off-Road Package, giving you some more off-road capability. And looking at the bed of the vehicle, which is designed to be highly modular for whatever you want to use this compact pickup for. You have these compartments there. The QR code there does lead to a list of ideas to give you an idea of what to do with the bed of the vehicle. Let's take a look inside. Interior, fold-out armrests and 2 cup holders in the middle, as well as a 120-volt power outlet, USB and USB-C. And the seats can be lifted up and out of the way to accommodate any other cargo and reveal some pretty deep storage bins underneath, which are also highly modular. And again, you get the QR code to give you some ideas of what to do with it. Now looking into the front, where you have power windows, power mirrors, and power locks, as well as a fully power adjustable driver's seat. Now sitting in the vehicle with it running and looking at the steering wheel on the right hand side, you have your controls for your center info screen here, where you can cycle through your trip information, tire pressures, your radio station, fuel economy, and you can go into some other service information and controls. Moving on to the left, where you have your cruise controls, as well as having your hands-free phone and radio controls along the bottom. And this vehicle does have a 4K tow package, which also includes the trailer brake controller there, so you can do some light towing and hauling with this vehicle. Moving on to your center, your infotainment screen, which is just going through some of that, which is radio and Bluetooth capable, so you have some options there. You have your Bluetooth phone controls, whatever apps you may have installed, and settings for your screen and some other features around your vehicle. Shifting into reverse, you do have a backup camera so you can see where you're going and hopefully avoid hitting anything. Moving over, you have a little cubby there, and up top you have a little bin there. Moving down, you have your media controls as well as your hazards, and then you have your climate controls with dual zone front climate so you can stay comfortable at different temperatures. Down below you have your start button, and then here you have a 12-volt USB, USB-C, and your controls for your sliding rear window. Moving further down, you have this cubby area here. You have a slot for your phone to be standing up or laying down and whatever you want to put there. You have your main shifter on a dial, very convenient, easy to use. Parking brake, 2 cup holders, little cubby. And then here you have a couple controls such as your auto start stop shut off, hill descent assist, brake hold, traction control shut off, and your drive mode selector for normal, tow haul, slippery, mud ruts, and sand, so you can customize your driving experience a bit there. Then you have a larger cubby there, center compartment / armrest, which is pretty spacious. And then last but not least, you do have a power moonroof up top so you can land in the sunshine. But that should cover our look at the interior. So now if you're interested, feel free to give us a call at 250-563-8111, or just come on down to the dealership and have a look for yourself, and have a nice day.